Good morning to one and all. I am Bogala Vinod Reddy and my roll number is P4 and my subject chemistry and I am from ECED section. Today my topic is conducting polymers and goes into the topic. Conducting polymers. Definition for the conducting polymers. Conducting polymers are those polymers which conduct electricity due to delocalization of the pi electrons. When the pi electrons are delocalization means the changing of the position or the location of the electron, the polymer produces the electricity that is called the conducting polymers. Example, the polyacetylene and the polyphenol. And the example and the diagram for the pyrrole. Pyrrole means it's the penton polypyrrole, and another one is polyacetylene, where the polyacetylene contains the 6 carbon atoms and the presenting between the double bond and the each carbon atoms pairing with the hydrogen atom. And the next types of conducting polymers. The main chain contains the aromatic cycles and the double bonds and the aromatic cycles and double bonds, where the main times no heteroene atoms, where it presents at the heteroatoms presence. Heteroatoms, they are presence of three types. They are no heteroatoms, nitrogen containing and the sulfur containing atoms, where the aromatic cycles are contains of defined as three types. They are depending by the non-heteroatoms or the nitrogen atoms or the sulfur containing atoms, where the aromatic cycles poly means fluorines and the polyphenylines and the polypyrenes, polyacylanes and the polynaphthalines, where this non-heteroatoms not contain the conducting electricity, where the nitrogen containing atoms produce electricity or conducting electricity. The nitrogen, N means nitrogen, is in the aromatic cycle. Polypyrrole is PPY, means polypyrrole, where the polycarbazole and polyindolase and the polyespinase and the N is outside the aromatic cycle. Polyamines pinase. And the sulfur containing types, the S means sulfur, is in the aromatic cycle. Polythiopenes and PT, it's denoted by the PT, and the poly 3.4 and the ethylene dioxane fine PEDOT. The S is outside of the aromatic cycle. Polyphenylene sulfide PPS is defined as, where the double bonds of no heteroatoms. Polyacetylene PAC is denoted as PAC. There is no nitrogen containing elements in double bonds, and also sulfur containing elements are not containing the double bonds. The aromatic cycles and double bonds. Polyphenylene vinyl PPV, and it contains the heteroatoms, and nitrogen containing atoms not contain the aromatic cycles and double bonds, and also with the sulfur containing atoms. And next, discovery of conducting polymers. With the discovery the conducting polymers are discovered in the late 70s, means 1977, by the Allen Hegas and Dr. Hedwig Siracqua and Alan Max. Before the polymers were used in the insulators or the electronics industries. Advantages of over conductors: chemical ions transport possible redox, behave, catalytic properties, electrochemicals effects, and the photoactivity, junction effects, and the mechanicals, and lightweight, flexibility, and non-metallic surface of properties. And next, and what is conductivity? Where definition for the conductivity. Conductivity can be defined as simply by Ohm's law, where the Ohm's law is denoted by V equals to I R, where the V is the voltage present in the material, and the I is the current which we passes through the conductor, and the R is the resistance of the conductor, where the conductivity depends on the number of charge carriers, number of electrons in the materials, where the charge carriers are number of electrons in the materials and their mobility. In the metal, it is assumed that all the outer electrons are free to carry change and the impedance to flow the charge in mainly due to the electrons bumping in each other. This is the concept for the conductivity and the and next, types of conductions, where the conductions are intrinsic and extrinsic, where the intrinsic conductors are pure types and the extrinsic conductors are impure types, and the holes, where the definition for the intrinsic conductors pure conduct electricity in pure form due to the presence of electrons and holes. Intrinsic conductor having the both electrons and holes, where the extrinsic conductor by adding the external impurities or doping, by doping the impurities to the some conduct, where the adding to the atom or the any type, it may increases the conductivity is called extrinsic conductivities, and the holes found by removal of electrons on doping. When we doping the conductor with the electrons are doping there, then their holes are present. Two conductions to become the conductivity. First one, the first conduction for this is that the polymer consists of alternating singles and double bonds, are called conjugative double bonds, where in conjugation the bonds between the carbon atom are alternatively singles and double, where the bond contains a isolated sigma bonds which formed a strong chemical bond. In the addition of very double bond also contains the less strongly localized pi bonds with the compared to the double bond and the single bond, where the sigma means single bond having the most power, stronger chemical bond than the double bond, where the example for that and taken they taken 11 carbons, when the alternative carbon has the double bond each carbon has connected with the single hydrogen, and carbon is connected to the 4 other each atoms. And the some example for the conducting polymers are polynyl and the polypyrrole and the polyfuran and polyethylene and the polyphenol. These are some examples for the conducting polymers, and where the n pentagonals are arranged 4 types, and this is called as the polypyrrole, and the oxygen pentahexane are connected to 4 each other and called the polyfuran, and the sulfur pentoxide connected 4 each other and is called as the polyphenol, and some others. And next, so this is the topic about the conducting polymers. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me, and thank you for all. Has nice